Hey guys, NASCAR Racing 18 here. We have another NASCAR Authentic from the 2019 Wave 12. We are going to be doing William Byron's 2019 Axalta Patriotic Chevrolet Camaro ZL1. On the back are the same cars. Let's get this car out of the box. Here's the Axalta. Here's the magnet, And here is the car. So this is William Byron's 2019 Axalta Patriotic car. So it is like his normal version car, except there are no more rookie stripes on the back. And it's kind of like his car where there's red on the back, except there's red that only goes part way through. The bottom is still white. And the yellow and red flames that are usually on the side here are usually red and yellow, but now they're blue with some red on the side. And the same thing on the top. All blue Axalta logo, and on the front is blue, while usually there's flames on the side of it. But the same thing, both of them, is that they both have the number 24 on them. The same color of the 24. William Byron drove this car in the final race of the 2019 season and the 2019 Coke Zero 400. I guess that's about it. Well, guys, thanks for watching this episode, and more will be out soon. Thanks for watching.